Today on JL Johnny's Jeep Life, we're going to be changing out these LEDs. Stay tuned. Putting this bracket together is actually quite simple. It's a little bit of a puzzle, but it's really easy because you can only put the parts in one way. So what I didn't realize is that when I was filming the install for this, my phone got overheated and it shut down on me. So unfortunately you're going to miss the install for this. So as a bonus, I'm going to show you the installation of the gas cover and the rear brake light guards. Here's what these lights look like. I think it looks fantastic. Eventually I'm going to see if I can get them angled so they go along with the eyebrows in this direction rather than straight across like it is. Okay, next I'm going to show you how to change the light from this to this. This is the brake light protectors, the brake light guards. And what we're going to do is we're going to take this back piece off. Held on by 3 Phillips screws. And you get this back plate, which is marked R for right, and the left one is marked L for left. Put the wire into the square, put it into place, and then we can screw this back on. So to install it back, we can plug this wire back in. Follow that line back in there like that. To prevent any rattling, we put this foam tape on here just to kind of seal it and give it some pressure when we install it. Next, we re-plug this in to the wiring harness and push the red clip up so it locks into place. Next we get our extension bolt. And our ratchet, and we tighten it up. So to recap what we did today for today's install, we installed the Smittybilt gas cover, the brake light guards, That's it for today's installation video here on JL Johnny's Jeep Life. If you like this video, please click like below. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe and hit that bell button so the next time I upload a video, you know about it. Today was kind of a mishap with the phone overheating, and you missed half of the light install, so sorry about that, but I did give you a bonus of the gas cover install and the taillight guards install. So hope you enjoyed that, and we'll see you again real soon. Until the next time, keep the rubber side down. We'll talk to you again real soon. Bye-bye.